So one of the most common questions I get is how to get ungated, or how can I get ungated to sell products on Amazon? For a lot of you new sellers, this might seem like the most daunting task, but once you know what you're doing, it's actually extremely easy and straightforward. And in this video, we're going to show you exactly how to get ungated on Amazon in 2023. Getting ungated is necessary to start selling on Amazon. So first of all, what does ungating mean? Ungating is essentially Amazon's way of seeing if you are an authorized seller of a specific product on Amazon, meaning that if you are allowed to sell the product based off of a brand's requirements, or if you are actually selling authentic products. To think of it as a concept, when you first open up your Amazon account, you might be allowed to sell 1% of Amazon's catalog. Then after you do a couple thousand in sales, you might be able to sell 3% of Amazon's catalog. Getting ungated is one of two ways. You can get auto-approved to sell on Amazon, meaning that Amazon will automatically allow you to sell certain products. And the only way to do that is by selling and proving to Amazon that you're selling authentic items, what the customer is ordering, and getting good feedback from customers on their orders. The other way to get ungated is to submit an invoice of at least 10 sellable units and basically fast track your way to be able to sell certain products on Amazon. When I first started selling on Amazon back in 2018, getting ungated was actually 1,000,000 times harder. And to get ungated in a big brand like Nike or Adidas would cost anywhere from $3,000 to $5,000 per brand for a chance to get ungated, because Amazon did not accept nearly any of the same invoices that they accept now. Now, fast forward 5 years, and it's actually way easier to get ungated, and you can actually submit invoices from certain online retailers to be able to get ungated. What Amazon is requiring to get ungated is essentially they want an invoice from a verified distributor that shows the address of where the product is coming from, the address of where the product is going to, showing that you're the purchaser and matching that information with Amazon, and then showing that you have 10 sellable units on the invoice and it's dated in the last 180 days. Now we're going to jump inside my computer and I'm going to show you what you can do to get ungated on Amazon. So now that we're inside my computer, my number one and go-to place to get ungated is actually Target.com or Kohl's.com. It's the same process for these, and these are just some of the verified retailers that you can use to get ungated. And if you want to go back further, back through our old videos, we have a list of like 5 or 6 different retailers that you can use, and the concept is pretty much the same for all of them. But what we're going to do is, let's say we wanted to get ungated for a brand like CeraVe. We're going to type in CeraVe into the search bar on Target, and then we're going to have to spot check with Amazon for a product that we can buy on Target 10 sellable units in one single order, and then match that invoice to the ASIN and apply under that order. So for example, we have this product right here. We're going to have to be able to find this product on Amazon. So this one right off the bat allows us to order 10. Let's see if this product is on Amazon anywhere. So now that we're looking on Amazon, we can see that there's a single pack of this item being sold. And all we would need to do now is submit this order, purchase 10 of them, and have it shipped to us. Once we purchase the product, Target's actually going to put an invoice online. And as soon as it gets shipped and delivered to your address, you're going to take that invoice using this ASIN, apply to sell this product on Amazon, and submit it. One thing to keep in mind is Amazon will deny invoices sometimes. Sometimes they're going to tell you the address doesn't match, it looks manipulated, something like that. Just keep resubmitting and just follow the prompts that they tell you and submit a couple more times, and you will get ungated on that product. All in all, I've used this method to get ungated on multiple accounts for multiple different brands and have helped hundreds of people utilize this method to actually get ungated. Target, this method, as well as Kohl's and other retailers like that, did not exist 5 years ago or even a couple years ago when we first started. Utilize this to your advantage, because we don't know for how long Amazon's going to be very easy and streamlined to get ungated. And remember, always make sure that you're ungated on a product before you actually purchase it, and always apply if you are gated, because sometimes as you continue to sell and grow your business, Amazon will actually give you an auto ungate where you don't have to submit an invoice. If for whatever reason you still need more help getting ungated, definitely check out the link down below to our free Discord server. We have free PDF guides on exactly how to get ungated step by step. So that way you can utilize those to make sure you can get started and get ungated to start selling on Amazon. That's it for this video, and thank you for your business.